Oh man, why you got your nut in my face, man? I'm supposed to do that down.
Closer?
What's that costing you for you get there?
Fair enough. I expect you to.
Yeah, I don't trust
I don't trust any Navy version smalls.
Too bad this is large.
I mean, those are and the shorts. That magical tow truck.
Oh,
You're talking about
5-inch inseam? You're lucky I don't wear my lane.
Wear the little short singlet like Walt used to.
Yeah. I smell sex and candy. Somebody called. You heard that?
The specific, that specific heel hook where I use my face to control your toes. I stopped seeing that, or I don't show you that in the context of the, because you know the clearly face emission. I was a lot, go behind one, it was fucking blood.
If you grab it in the front, I just put it right. Keep the front down. Think of it like a table, right? You take the leg away from the table. It'll go that way.
Nah, I know. Knee bar.
Oh!
Now, like, you got good control of my lower legs, and I have like,
Yes.
because my hips, now, if my hip was stuck, probably, because my hip.
I wake up and last time I got you up.
Just stood up left. Yeah. I'll keep you up double like this. Oh, that's just basically one knee. This Ready? Break dancing the leg out. Hey, don't do that. I got here $3. What about you?
Just slow it down. One side in the air, you're strong, right? Get me in the position you want, you can hold me here forever.
Give it to me.
Yeah, but that's a better idea, right? Angle, control, drop you into the pocket.
You ain't dropping the pockets.
No rush. You can hold somebody here and do this for a minute, and be fine. And get them rotating so that when you go to pull all this through, they're gonna drop right into the pocket as opposed to what am I calling that? Yeah, so that's why I think for you, when we're doing additional sparring, get comfortable with this idea. Elevated. If I'm here with my knees and my hands, and you're just sitting on this, it doesn't require any strength. If your hand raises against the wall and start stinging you so that you can't base, now I'm starting to do some gas. But here, you're just sitting on the level.